Hi everyone, I'm Donnie Lowy at CloseoutExplosion.com. I bought a lot of fashion jewelry. I want to show you the fashion jewelry. It's pretty nice boutique style fashion jewelry. They're necklaces, bracelets, rings, pendants, earrings. The fashion jewelry is made in, for the most part, in Indonesia. It's really nice style, many different colors as well. There are approximately 4,000 pieces in this lot. The fashion jewelry was being sold to boutiques throughout the United States. And since they closed their business, they sold all of this jewelry to me. Here's some bracelets. Here's some earrings. Here you can see a nice selection of rings. I think the style would be really nice, especially for the Caribbean. These necklaces are sold in stores for anywhere from, I would say, from about $15 to $25. That was the original retail price. These earrings, I was told, were being sold originally the retail basis for about $15 each. As always, you're welcome to come here in person and you can see everything to see that it's ideal for your store. This is a really nice item as well. It's a necklace with a pretty big pendant in the front. It has material, a silky type material. Then over here, a box of rings. It's these different rings, different, similar style, but different colors. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. My cell phone WhatsApp number is 1917-913-6093. It's 1917-913-6093. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day.